Oh! Wow!
Look at me again! Just slightly!
Oh, now we're going to get... Hang on. Catching him up. I'll probably never get out again there. You did it! That's better.
Hey,
relax a bit more.
Hey, baby.
Turn red. That's it.
Baby, baby, baby.
We're kind of leaving Mum behind. Almost show the back of your head there. Mum's took us on the outside. I'm coming to take you on the inside, Mum. She blocked me off! She blocked me off! All good! All good.
Again.
Coming up to the exit, Dad. Dad. Coming up to the exit.
Those two are swimming. Chilly. And the drums have gone off, which means the waves coming. This is so nice. buy anything in there? Didn't spend all your money?
No,
Not yet.
no.
That's a good anime stuff here, I must admit. He's sporting his Demon Slayer outfit today.
Well, Dragon Ball and then.
Oh, Dragon Ball, I beg your pardon.
I was like yesterday. So.
30% off. Men's got a big section.
Good.
We've got sketches down there as well. Converse we go.
Keep it off.
Ooh, there's some cool in here. What's the prices like?
Well, it's Converse, aren't they? So it's
Yeah.
going to be quite.
So you're literally buying one pair and get one with 60% off, so more than half price.
It's still going to be about what, 100?
Yeah.
Clearance.
34.
Never know.
Tanks are only $19.99. Mostly 30% off, I think, in here, isn't it?
Look.
$20.
Rangers lost 2 now. West Brom lost 1 now.
Football update.
Not good, so I don't want to talk about it.
Oh,
Rangers, Blues, lost.
I'm not seeing a lot yet. I am picky, like, but
Yeah, you are a bit.
and they don't have such good deals at the moment. I haven't seen anything. I'll keep looking. Check it.
150.
150.
All the way along to the end. 75%.
75% off is 37.50.
Purchases.
You know when you're talking.
No, get off. I'm holding it up for the camera.
$62.
Take two. I made a purchase. I've got a little tracksuit top there. $14 that cost. It's a bargain. James has got a couple of things. What did you get? You got a jacket
Black and hoodie.
and a hoodie for
How much was the hoodie?
62.47. So
Yeah, look, I could get an R2D2, but you'd have to discard the back.
yeah, you could do that actually.
Stick him in the case.
Yeah. Just joined the queue for the character warehouse. See if there's any nice pins.
have you seen the
that I haven't got yet?
Line 5 bags?
Yeah. Well, that's one I've got. Got that one.
Keep picking on the ones you've already got.
Oh no, they've got a nice. Is that Sabine?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Sabine helmet there. Look. I
Oh,
do like the helmets. Must admit. I'll have a look in anyway. Yeah.
Are they in the half mile?
Still in the queue. The door's just round the corner.
waiting.
Yeah. So nearly there.
Yeah, almost.
Right there. Right by the door. Everybody gets pins in the character warehouse. We go in, not one pin anywhere. And that was what we queued up for. So that was a bit of a disappointment. Never mind, we're going to go and have something to eat now in the food court, which is just next door to the Disney character warehouse. It's massive. Well, time for lunch anyway. Oh, James spilt, was it his drink he spilt on him?
Don't know.
Trying to get to the
There's no
table.
juice out of this. Oh, there's loads of juice.
Oh.
There's loads of juice in this.
We went all down his bag, all down his front. He was rushing to get a table because there was nowhere to sit in there. It was absolutely rammed. But it's Saturday, so he's going to clean his t-shirt off, bless him, and his shorts.
Wash it when you get back. Get in
Yeah, well,
the
we've got to
shower.
do some washing. We have to find out which floor the laundry's on, don't we? We're having a bit of orange chicken, and what was the other one? Bourbon chicken, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's not a bad price either. What was this come to for a drink?
Oh. I can't find it. 19, shouldn't it?
Yeah, 1936. Not bad. I've used the last of my wet ones. Come in handy, those wet ones, I tell you. The amount of times we've used them.
You could do with lunch and all. I've still got some left.
Yeah, I was going to say you got a packet, haven't you? Very handy wet ones. I would recommend coming with wet ones.
Well, I put it under the blow dryer when I was, you know.
We're sitting in Applebees, which was about a 15-minute walk from the hotel down I Drive. We're just having a few drinks, but somebody's looking at the menu. The food does look rather nice, but at the moment we're just going to have some drinks. This looks quite nice in here, typical sort of sports bar with tellies and that around it. What's on the telly?
Baltimore versus Buffalo Bills from last weekend.
From the first weekend.
Second week game going on until next week, tomorrow.
The screen over there touched down. We've got football running all over. What's that one there behind us?
College games.
Cheers.
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 Oh, that's nice.
Oh. What's that one we got? Stella. Oh, very nice. Nice and cold. Finally a cold beer. You're still eyeing up the food.
Yeah, you get one appetizer, so
Choose an appetizer. Oh, crunchy onion rings.
yeah, that's what I was looking at.
Big banging burger. Looks good. Reasonably good value, doesn't it?
So you get one of them and two of these.
Yeah, or you can upgrade your own trip for an extra what, $1, is it?
Yeah, because like that one's extra $4,
Yeah.
and that's an extra $2 to make it a platter.
Just enjoying this pint.
Yeah,
isn't it?
we're sitting having a drink. We've had quite a busy day, really, isn't it? Just around
We've
the
had an
outlets.
easier day for
Yeah,
our
it's
feed.
been easier, but we spent a lot of hours in the outlets, didn't we?
Yeah, we got the eye trolley down. What time did we get on the eye trolley?
Early this morning.
Yeah,
So,
we were there for a good few hours, weren't we?
yeah, we left about 10 o'clock, something like that, from the hotel.
The Vineland premium outlets are a lot better than the ones north on I Drive. The layout and everything's a lot better because you walk
yeah.
around and you get to see everything.
Yeah.
The one north was a bit hiddly piddly, like a maze.
Yeah, it is a bit. But that was good as well. But I found this outlet today.
Yeah, I think
It was
that
great
was a lot
because they
better.
had better deals. You know, I went into Adidas and I could have spent a fortune in there. You know, the amount of deals they had. So I brought about four items, and it come to about $60. And I brought two shirts, two tops, like shorts, and a pack of socks, Adidas white socks, and that was really good value.
I bought a pink, it's like a tracksuit top
Yeah,
type
it is
thing.
a tracksuit top.
It's
yeah.
actually a kid's, but I mean it was quite big on me. And I got it for like $14, which was like
Yeah, it's a
bargain.
And our son, he went into Puma and got some good.
You got a nice jacket.
You know,
didn't you?
he got for about $62. He got what should have been over $200 worth of stuff.
And a hoodie. Yeah.
So you know, all in all, it was really good.
And then we got the eye trolley back. It takes about what?
About 20 minutes. Yeah, about
like that.
20 minutes, 25
Back
minutes.
to the hotel, and we had a bit of a rest. We've done our washing. It's very exciting. Washed a few things.
I
In the
went
hotel,
down-
the laundry's on. We're on floor 7, and the laundry was on floor 6.
Just a quick
And they've got,
nip down the stairs. So,
Machines where you can get, was it Tide, little boxes of
yeah,
Tide.
enough for one wash,
Yeah.
basically, in the box.
And dryers in there, so it's everything that you need.
It wasn't bad. The wash was $4.25 each,
Yeah,
and we
have
had
to do
two. And then we had one dryer which was $4.35 for the
And
dryer.
how much was the Tide?
I don't know how much the Tide was, to be
No,
honest.
we just bought 2 boxes. And
Just 2 boxes. So, you know, all in all, it wasn't too bad for the washing. I went back down because Mr. Suspicious me. I don't like leaving my stuff.
He
But
was
noticing
worried somebody was going to nick his boss
Yeah.
underpants.
Yeah, don't want people running off with me knickers. You know what I mean? I said
Very good
it would be-
facilities, I think, at the
It was
Dockside.
easier for me to stay down there and just take bits out when it was dry and
They've
leave
really
the others in.
thought it out well, I think, haven't they? Because
Yeah,
like the
yeah.
pool, you've got towels that you can use, and then they've got a bucket thing that you chuck them in when you finish. So our plans for tomorrow,
Yeah, we're going
we're going to go back to Disney,
Disney. We're doing
and we're looking at maybe going straight to Animal Kingdom,
Animal Kingdom and then from there to Epcot
and then
finish
finishing Epcot off. Yeah,
because we haven't done Epcot. We've got to go back to Magic Kingdom.
yeah, because we haven't done
the
Pirates
Pirates,
of the Caribbean
we-
or
we-
Tiana's.
Tiana,
Got to do that because I like the water
Avatar.
ones.
We've got to do
Avatar, that's
you
in
know,
Animal Kingdom,
that's in
so we
Animal
could do that
Kingdom.
tomorrow.
So, you know, there's little rides. Me and my wife have found out that a lot of these really fast, heavy duty rides don't suit us.
No,
do
I mean I get occasionally I get travel sickness, very rarely. But coming here, I've found from that first Friday when we went on that ride by mistake,
they? Thunder Mountain, Space Mountain.
motion sickness and that it's dreadful. I wouldn't wish it on anybody. So I've been a bit more careful. But we went on that Slinky Dog I went
I
on
didn't.
with James,
I
and
didn't.
it was okay. I was all right on it, but I just didn't enjoy it. So I think my time on roller coasters is
Our son's
truly.
sitting across the table with little grins on his face.
Yeah, you think, no God, the oldies.
Because he's been on everything. But if there was one, what was it that you said never again? Oh yeah, the Velocicoaster.
Yeah, we went
He
on.
come off that and he went, that was...
And you've said that Gringotts might be all right on that, haven't you? Yeah.
The parks are great, but we enjoy just doing what we do. It's a bit sad for our son, because he's had to go on his own. But saying that, he's got the single rider and he's gone in a lot quicker on a few of them.
He's all right. I think it's just hit home to me the bit that I can't do what I thought I could do. Like we've watched through the vlogs and some of the rides, I thought, oh yeah, I can't wait to get on that. But now I'm just thinking, I don't think I could cope with it, and I don't want to be ill, so I'd rather just not
Thing
go
is,
on
we
it.
have booked another holiday in May. We're staying at the Stella Nova,
Yeah.
and we've got a 2-week, 14-day pass for Universal, which includes
Epic. But
Epic as well.
We're thinking there's going to be no rides in Epic that we can probably get on. Anyway, this
Yeah.
holiday, we've still got lots of rides, like the Pirates of the Caribbean, we can do that one. Tiana's, some of the water ones,
The parks have
Avatar
been
and all that.
brilliant. I've still enjoyed it.
They're
even
nice
though-
places just
Yeah,
to
yeah.
hang out as well, aren't
Yeah,
they?
yeah, they're really good.
But, you know, we like looking at the shops, because I collect the pins, obviously, and stuff, and then, you know, you stop for a drink and some food and that, but it can be tiring on the old legs in the heat.
I've got a few blisters on my foot.
Yeah,
My son's got a blister on his foot.
yeah. So we've all had blisters of some
But the
description.
one good thing was we went into the Star Wars and
Oh, that
did
was-
all the rides,
Yeah, that was brilliant, that one.
and that was fabulous.
Rise of the Resistance. is
Yeah, the ride
fantastic.
that was one of the highlights. So there is a lot that we have done in rides, isn't we?
Yeah.
You tend like we've done nothing.
You can enjoy the parks in different ways, I think, because we had this vision that we were going to go on all these rides and we can't. It's kind of, it's changed our perception a little bit of, but it doesn't take away from the fun and enjoyment.
It's Saturday today now, and we travel home on Thursday, so we've still got more than half
We've
a
got a
week
lot
there.
to do yet.
Monday we're off to Kennedy Space Centre for the day, which we booked. So that'll be a good trip out, which I'm really looking forward to. Gonna make
That's going to be a long day. Isn't
yeah,
it?
that's going to be a long day. All the cameras are going to be fully charged for that one. So yeah, that's going to be really good. So the holiday all in has been worth every penny, I think. The hotel, to be honest, Dockside, people say
Yeah, it's really good.
it's a budget hotel, but I tell you what, the food downstairs, we've had quite often
Yeah,
down
we've
in
had
the
quite a
food.
few different meals from there.
It's been-
Pasta,
I had spaghetti
Pizza.
bolognese last night, and it was absolutely lovely.
it's really
really
nice.
was.
Yeah. And the Starbucks coffee.
Yeah, the Starbucks
Yeah.
have been brilliant. We nip down and get a coffee and something to eat from Starbucks, 4-star. Incredible. The staff have been great. The room's been basically tried to be cleaned every day, and we kind of said no, let them do it every couple of days.
And the pool is
The
lovely.
pool was brilliant
Yeah.
when we sat by the pool.
Oh, and what did you think of Volcano Bay?
Oh, Volcano Bay we went to yesterday morning.
Yeah.
And that, I must admit, again, the big slide rides and that, the water
We avoided
slides and
them,
that.
yeah.
Yeah,
We went on the lazy river.
river
was fun.
and that, and we went in and did the waves and that. Me and my son did, and Sarah come in as well, and very enjoyable.
Yeah.
Just so relaxing there. You can just chill out.
So, how would you rate the holidays so far then?
10 out of 10.
What would you say about the holidays so far?
Everything's just brilliant. I don't think there's been Apart from only the roller coaster that sent me a bit weird.
You went to the cinema yesterday, didn't you?
Yes, watched Demon Slayer. All decked out in my Demon Slayer stuff. Got my bag.
Yeah, and you went to the one at the Universal, didn't you? City Walk.
Cinema, yeah.
And how much did that cost you?
$20 for a ticket.
$20, yeah.
But what's nice, you can take your refill drinks in, and you can just refill as many times as you like. So I had about at least, I think, four cups of that refillable thing of pink lemonade in there.
He got the money's worth what we paid, basically.
Yeah, but you weren't going to use it that day, so I had to
So,
make use of
you
it.
know, we paid for it and he got the benefit of it on the night, which, again,
that's
it's
a good thing, that is.
It's really good because you don't have to spend a lot of money out getting one each or something.
No,
we
we've
bought
had
one.
just one to share.
I
It's
just bought popcorn and that's all I
$12.99
need.
each day to reactivate. And we were filling it up every 10 minutes because
every
you
10
drink like a
minutes
fish.
because there's 3 of us and me and my son like to drink, don't we, Dan?
Yeah.
So, you know, James has joined in. We
Definitely
paid,
worth getting
we
the
paid for
refillable.
one and it saved a fortune on getting drinks, didn't it? And then James used it on the night.
Yeah.
So you don't
Definitely
have to come and buy one each because you can refill every 10 minutes. You can share it.
Yeah.
You can just decide on a drink.
Very good value, isn't it?
We liked a few of the drinks, didn't we?
Yeah, they've got quite a lot of drinks to choose
But
from.
we got our favourites that we like the pink lemonade, orange lemonade was
Minute
nice,
Maid
the
lemonade's
cola,
nice, isn't
the
it,
zero
as well?
cola, yeah. So we chopped and changed a little
So
bit.
we've still got loads to do.
Yes, we have.
So all right then.
So
Till tomorrow.
it's till tomorrow. So we're going to sign off on this day, which is day, what is it, day now? So we had Thursday to Thursday.
9 is it? Day 9?
Friday, day 9 of 14.
Day 9, yeah, 14.
So, and up to now, you know, we haven't been brilliant on the vlogging. To be honest, a lot of the times we've been in that race in the holiday, we forgot. And we forgot to log off on the end of the night.
Or I think I'm recording and it's not, so I've missed out.
We've lost one of the mics.
Yeah, no, it fell off me.
Yeah, the Uber driver found it, but he hasn't returned it to us.
So we've written that one off.
Yeah, we've written that off. We're going to get a new one when we get back home.
Yeah. Lesson learned: do not put them on until you want to start recording.
Yeah, in the park.
Yes.
Basically. Because it was the seatbelt that pulled it off.
Yeah, we think it was the seatbelt that knocked it off.
It is.
We're still enjoying ourselves, aren't we? And that's the main thing. So.
The only problem is going home. My son doesn't want to.
No.
My son wants to stay. He's quite happy staying. Isn't he?
Yeah.
I don't feel like going back yet.
No. Well, we've still got a few days yet, so we'll sign off for tonight.
Yeah.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
Before we go, I used to be Lily White. My wife used to take the mick, especially out my legs.
We've caught the sun a bit,
But,
You
she
need
can't do
sun
that
cream.
now because I'm
God.
all tanned.
Yeah.
So,
And you find places that you've missed. You know, I had my swimsuit on, and just at the side, us ladies, just at the side here, not when I'd say anything.
and I've done something.
I forgot to put sun cream on. I've got little red half moons.
I've come out of my safety zone in a way, haven't I?
Tanned back, eh? Gosh.
I don't usually like showing. I keep a top on.
Yeah.
I don't like showing me.
He's usually lily white, but you're not now, are you?
I kind of went in just trunks and got nice and tanned, and I thought.
James is a bit red as well, so we've got
Let
to
the
use
flab hang.
after sun. You need after sun as well. That's something don't forget.
Yeah.
And keep applying during the day, especially with wet rides.
We've got May's holiday to look forward to when we get home. So plenty of time to go, and we're going to enjoy it.
Yep. So we'll see you later.
See you later.
Got some shots of iDrive.
Yeah.
All the gift shops and restaurants. This is Surfside here, and just round from this is Dockside. Just down there was Applebees. So it's a good little short walk, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Half of the Scottish things.
Parts Rangers, yeah, Celtic,
Aberdeen.
Port Vale.
Walgreens over there, and then just across the road,
When we was coming out.
Dockside and
That's the big
Surfside.
building, it got
Henderson,
marijuana
here we go.
dispensary.
So it's not far.
It's legal over there if you've got a medical condition or the bikes are out tonight.
There we go, Endless Summer Resort. So we'll cross here and then we just over there is the hotel. And we've missed the crossing again. We always time it wrong.
I know.
Down that way is Universal.
Yeah, Universal.
IHOP
Parkway,
just over there, which has got a good breakfast.
which was very nice. We
Yeah.
did try that. We only went once.
Oh yeah, I've seen that. This is our hotel here. This is Tower 1 and Tower 2's the other side, which is where we are. So there's a gate here that takes you onto the Dockside on the I Drive, well, Universal Boulevard, and then you walk up to I Drive. That's where the buses pick you up. There. And then that's Tower 2 there, which is the one that we're in, but we're on the far side of that one. It's a big hotel, but there's plenty of space. There we go, the Dockside. This is where the entrance is.
That's the big thing, can't we?
Yeah.
Just get plenty of tissues.
There we go, reception. Starbucks. There's the bar. The bar here.
Notre Dame, they're usually a good team.
And this is the food court area, plenty of seating. I'm just going to grab a bite to eat.
Not need to pay for this one.
Yeah, you can prefer.
City one, meat lovers.
Meat, yeah, the meat one. Oh, James is off for his pasta, are you? Well, they do macaroni cheese as well, don't they? Get your drinks. Fried chicken. This one's pizzas. Beers. Water and wine. It's very nice. Fresh fruit. Yeah. Pastries. We've got cheesecake, donuts, cookies. Chocolate donut looks nice. Oh, macadamia cookie. Sounds good.
What do you want?
I'll have a macadamia cookie.
That one.
No, I think it's this one. Yeah, back at reception.
They've got my lounge fly bag.
$12.
I've got a load of pins. I've got my lounge fly bag. I've got my 2 anime figures I wanted.
Yeah.
I've got 2
Shop.
books that I wanted. The only thing I'm still tempted to maybe get is some of the Universal pins as well.
Yeah.
But I think that'll be spending one.
Yeah.
Just making sure I've got enough for food each day.
Heading back to the rooms to eat our pizza. Chill out. We've got a long day tomorrow at the park.
What was it, Epcot first and then...
Well, we think they're going to the Animal Kingdom.
Oh, you want to go and
Straight there, and then maybe from there go to Epcot. See how it goes. We've got lifts down there. And lifts all the way along here. It's a bit of a hike. Yes, very nice lounge bag.
You've got to get yours one before you leave.